Hey guys. I found this really cool Easter egg in Call of Duty Zombies, and I think you guys might want to see it. It's really cool, and it can get you some pretty cool weapons. So I think you guys will enjoy it. Yeah. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to get some really good guns, because you're gonna go into like the basement area of the first COD Zombies map, so there's like a lot of people there and zombies, so you kind of need like really good stuff. I've kind of got some stuff. I've started playing already. So yeah, you just need some like stuff first, like guns and like perks and stuff.
Multiple EKIA. Take a last look around. 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 Wasted them. Hostile down. Enemy appears KIA.
Okay, so by now you should have enough guns and stuff to you should break this wall that I broke. We need some money for that, so kill some zombies. Then you're gonna wanna you can come just close to the store and it'll open automatically. You don't actually need money, which is pretty cool.
This is Omega Group's doing. They came here and
So
reactivated a long
then
Nazi experiment.
you wanna go downstairs once you've like killed all the zombies.
I'm not sure. Even though they're
And
necrosis
you're gonna
quite
wanna take a
programmed,
left
it would seem these
because
creatures were once human. We should really get the power
I
before we make any
like the
assumptions.
left way better. I don't like the right way. It's too far. You need money to get this door though, so you might need to kill some more zombies. That's a little hard because this room is pretty small, but it's doable. I did it.
One by.
Okay, so by now you should have enough money to buy this door and open it. Then you're gonna want to kill a few more zombies because you need more money to buy the next door. It's about
Sending frag grenade.
$2,000 to open it. So you're gonna want to kill a lot of zombies. Okay, now that I have enough money, I can go to this door and I can open it with my money. And then you need to turn on the power like it says. And then you need to turn on these two things. You just need to hold square next to them. Once you do both of those, there'll be this big purple like ball that comes into the middle. You need to go into that, and that will take you to the zombie dimension.
Similar to breaches we've identified in other outbreak zones, but it's more vibrant.
Oh, okay. So once you're in the zombie dimension, you're gonna want to you're gonna want to go to that marker. Just go through the big building again, and then just go to the marker. You're gonna want about $500 to do this bit, so you might need to kill some more zombies to get that first. I didn't need to because I'd killed enough though. Then you'll go through these rocks, which I think is pretty cool, and then you'll grab this big machine, and then you need to put it in the middle, and then you'll make the pack-a-punch machine. Okay, so once you've made the pack-a-punch machine,
I got signal lock on.
there should be
We're
like
back to business.
5
What
blue
happened? Satellite
lights
malfunction?
that you can shoot.
Systems are showing
One's right
unidentifiable
here.
residue, which suggests
Um,
that... Oh dear. You didn't
there-
go through
there's
the portal.
Another one like on the ceiling, I think. There it is. There should be like another one, or like there should be like 2 or 3 more down underneath the big purple thing. There should be one like behind the stairs somewhere around here. In here maybe? No, okay. I can't find it. I'll come back to that. There should be... Oh, there's one. One behind that, like, machine thing. And then there should be another one, like, in this grate. Oh, I see it. You actually need to crouch for this one. I've actually left only one zombie alive, because if I don't kill him, then more won't spawn, and it makes it a lot easier. So there should be one down here in this little, like, window. Oh, I see it. Okay. And then you should go, like, to the zombie dimension again, and then there you go. Then it's the coffin dance meme, like the meme with, like, the guys with the coffins on their shoulder. It's a reference to that. But actually, a cool little Easter egg is that inside the box that they have on their shoulders, there's, like, really good guns and stuff, and, like, sometimes the ray gun or, like, the wonder weapon. So, like, if you're lucky, you'll get that. You'll also get, like, a bunch of, like, metal and stuff, and, like, a soda. Yeah, it's a pretty cool Easter egg. I don't know if everyone knows about this. It seems pretty hard to get and, like, pretty hidden. You can't kill those zombies in here. But well, after a bit, the music stops, and then you leave the zombie dimension, and like, yeah, you come into here, and then you can open the box, and you get some cool stuff. I didn't get, like, the ray gun or anything. I got an LMG. But yeah, that was my video on the Call of Duty Cold War Zombies Coffin Dance Easter egg. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.
Raptor 1 is nearby, strike team. Exfil window is short, so take it now if you're ready.
I'm requisitioning this.
There's a large radiation signature headed your way. Some kind of humanoid. Vaguely.
Raptor 1 en route to Alpha Site. Get out of there before the window expires.
Raptor 1 at the LZ. Soviets have ID'd our position. We gotta move.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again in the next video, guys. Bye, like, and subscribe, please. I would really appreciate that. Goodbye.